302nd collection. What can I help you?
I'm looking for a hoodie.
We have jumper and zipper. Which one do you like, sir?
How much does it cost for the jumper hoodie?
It is 300,000 rupiah, sir.
What about a t-shirt?
Our t-shirt only 115,000 rupiah, sir.
Can I get a discount if tag those two items?
We can give you a special price. It costs 475,000 rupiah, sir.
Oh, about 400,000 rupiah.
We are very sorry, sir. But we can give you special price at for 415,000 rupiah.
Deal. The size of the t-shirt is M and for the hoodie is L.
Okay, sir. Could you send your address so we can send the package this afternoon?
Sure, I will message the address.
Okay, sure. Thank you for shopping. Have a good day. One day later. 3-second correction. What can I help you?
Hello, yesterday I just bought one t-shirt and one hoodie. But the hoodie that I ordered is not the same size as I ordered.
We are very sorry for the mistake, sir. Call send back the wrong size of the hoodie so we can send the new one.
Sure, I'll send the hoodie today.
Thank you, sir. And once again, we are very sorry. Have a good day, sir.